Some hemp companies say new regulations could put them out of business. The law, Senate Bill 494, bans the sale of certain hemp products in stores and mandates licensing along with testing products. Business owners claim that the restrictions are too severe.
Fox 5's Christopher King spoke with a business owner and a lawyer who is filing the suit. Christopher joins us live in Roswell.
Hemp shops and CBD stores claim the new regulations are dragging down business. They tell us sales have plummeted since the new law went into effect.
I sell THC products, mainly hemp products.
Scott Ellison runs e-commerce site THC Atlanta. He planned to open a brick and mortar store after a federal law permitting the production and sale of certain hemp products took effect in 2018. But state law stopped those plans.
The plans fell out as soon as the law passed back in 2024 of October.
Georgia Senate Bill 494 went into effect last October. The state law limits the sale of hemp products to customers over 21. It bans products like smokable hemp flower and many foods infused with THC. The law also mandates THC warning labels and new licensing requirements for hemp businesses.
It just puts a strain on the industry as a whole.
Ellison is part of a group of hemp businesses that filed a lawsuit against the state. They claim the legislation is hurting them.
Sales are down probably about 60 to 75% at the moment.
Could this put you out of business?
Yes, it could. In fact, it's actually putting several shops around the area out of business.
It could, and it has already caused significant financial challenges for a lot of my clients.
Zakiya Watson-Caffe is a lawyer who represents those businesses.
It's not consistent with the federal law.
The federal 2018 Farm Bill allows for production and sale of hemp products like THCA with less than 0.3% of Delta-9 THC. That's the stuff that gets you high. Watson-Caffe says the state legislation undercuts federal law.
The state can have its own regulations, but it has to be in compliance with the federal law.
Plaintiffs want the courts to grant an injunction to block the state law.
To overturn the law.
To put THCA products back in shops.
Now, we called the governor's office and the state attorney general's office. We are waiting for calls back. We're live in Roswell. Christopher King, Fox 5 News.
All right, Christopher, thanks.